Hello friends, welcome to channel Reza Blade. I am your friendly neighborhood Reza, here with an unboxing of January's Beautometry My Mani box. It is themed Gossip Girl, I believe. I haven't opened up the box except to, make everything easy. But we're going to unwrap everything together and we will begin. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Tell me what you liked best about it. There will be a second video coming out, part 2, that is the demo. This part is just the unboxing. That worked really well last time, so I'm going to do it again this time. And that way I can go more detail into the demos. Subscribers are not only welcomed, they are eligible for my giveaways, which happen from time to time. And I have a giveaway coming up this week. There will be a giveaway video, so keep an eye on that. Make sure your notifications are all set. Okay? I think that's enough of me jawing about nonsense. Let's get to this, which is clearly a nail polish. I'm gonna prevent you guys from getting bored with me and just cut things. Whoa! Holy cow. I shouldn't ever be surprised, but the beauty of the polishes in this box sometimes just knocks me off my feet. This is clearly a multi-chrome something or other. It's called Whispers by AEngland, or AEngland. Yes, that sounds better. Okay, and I have done swatches for a collection of theirs before, and the polishes are just really great. So I'm going to just, like I said, the demo is in a bit, but I am going to see what color this comes out as because I absolutely cannot wait. And then once that dries, we're going to go ahead and look at it from multiple angles because I did get a multi-chrome vibe from it, or at least duochrome. All right, so here's one thing, which is an amazing thing. In the My Mini box, you always get like this little card that'll tell you what the theme is. Gossip Girl, I know nothing about that. Sorry. I failed my pop culture exam today. All right, and we've got something in a really lovely little black velvet bag. I do keep all these bags. They're very helpful from time to time. Ooh, okay, this is fun. These might be in the giveaway since I always lose pots like this, even though they're in a special container. I always forget to reach for them. Oh, I am going to use this one though, I think. I don't know. We'll see what I use. These are awesome. These are really awesome. Get that gold flake. Let me take that back. Oh, I love that. Okay, so we'll see what I'm doing with these. If I like use them all in a video or give a couple of them away, we'll see what I do for the demo. Next, where did I put the box? Oh, I put the box over here. So next we have a bundle of plates. Now, we know that at least 2 of them are going to be MoYou London plates because that's the spiel about this box, which is one of my favorite things about this box. MoYou London plates are always really reliable. I recommend them highly for beginner stampers. They are really great plates. So, let's see what we've got here. This is really cute. Black and white polka dots. All right. This is a big bag. Ooh, okay, so we have 3 plates this time. This one is very festive. It would clearly be helpful on New Year's, but also look at all these stars. I really am digging these. So I'll test that out in the demo. And this is from Sugar Bubbles. It's plate number 25. SBS 25 if you want to go out and find it. The other 2, let's see what these are. All right, Love Is Collection 14. Ooh, this is fun. So Valentine's Day is, wait, I'm looking at my thing, is in 2 days, sorry. this will be fun. I'll try to fit this in ASAP. All right. So, but as I'm opening this, the Valentine's Day is in 2 days. Oh, wait, and we have a layering plate. Okay. So, I don't have like a master, like with Clear Jelly Stamper, they do like a master of how things are supposed to look. But I think I can figure this out. They're usually pretty straightforward with the MoYou London ones. So we'll see. We'll see if I pass or fail this test when it's time for the demo. Anyway, so that is what is in the plate this time. And I did promise that we would take a look at all the different... I really thought I saw purple in there. I'm going to try one more time. Try 2 coats. I do also want to try out those plates so badly, but we gotta wait. I have to be patient. Alright. So, I'm not seeing the purple. I'm seeing a black. So this seems like a sheer black jelly maybe, with some really awesome particles inside. And I don't know how... Wait, is that the purple? Hold on. It's like we're in biology class and I'm telling everybody to look for under the slide and they're all like, we're not seeing it. Yes, I know. Sorry, Mrs. Autry did not perform the test correctly. The cells are not visible within the slides. Anyway, so I will see you all very soon in the demo part, and hopefully I'll get my Valentine's Day video filmed before Valentine's Day. Wish me luck. I've had migraines a lot. You all know that. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be a broken record. It's just constant. So, but I am very happy that I've been able to join you a couple times in the last couple of days. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.